Welcome back to Hyer Quality Detail. Today I want to answer a question that we get asked quite frequently here, and that is, how perfect is my new car? The common misconception is that when you buy a new car, it's supposed to look perfect. However, there's a million different things that can happen from the time your vehicle is produced to the time that it reaches your hands, and that's what we're going to go over today. So it's actually more common for new cars to have defects than not, and the list is very broad. Paint inconsistencies, body damage, misaligned panels, glass imperfections, interior defects. These are all issues that we see on a daily basis. There's also a broad range of how these defects can occur. It can happen in the manufacturing process, during transport, sitting at the port, or even at the dealership. Many people think that the issues that we're seeing are just limited to the budget-friendly manufacturers, but you're gonna find these defects no matter the price of the car. The next question that we get asked is, should I take my car back to the dealer to get repaired or repainted? When dealing with paint and body defects, our answer is typically no. We usually have an in-house solution for dealing with these types of defects, which will prevent your vehicle from going into a body shop, which in our experience can open the door for more problems to occur. At HQD, we've been specializing in new vehicle refinement for the last 8 years. Our expertise allows us to give you the best new car experience. If you have a new car or one on the way, give us a call with any questions.